Hey everybody, my name is Lauren, also known as Estie Bestie on Instagram. If this is your first time meeting me, hi, hello. And I'm a licensed esthetician. So what that means is I'm a skin expert. And today I'm gonna be going through all of Banish's products and letting you know how these products will work for your skin from a professional standpoint. Not only am I an esthetician, I'm also a beauty blogger. So I get tons of questions and DMs on this new created skin issue that was not here a year ago, but now it's affecting a lot of people and a lot of people's skin, is maskne. So when we're dealing with maskne, and the reason why we get maskne is the masks that we wear are constantly tugging and tearing on our skin. So it's really important to use a really gentle cotton mask. But it's good to also have a nice skincare underneath that are going to prevent breakouts, that are going to heal the skin, that are going to nourish the skin. And then it's really important to have a good night routine that's also not going to be too irritating when you do wear these masks. So not everyone has to wear these on a daily basis, but when you are dealing with maskne, a great product that Banish has is the fighter gel. The reason why I love this gel is it's this lightweight jelly-like texture that can be super breathable underneath these masks. When you wear these masks in the daytime with an oil underneath, your skin just can't breathe like that. So it's really important to wear something super lightweight. So this has arnica in it, and which is a super healing skincare ingredient, and then aloe, which is extremely hydrating. And hydrating is a little bit different than moisturizing the skin, because hydration brings water to the skin, but moisturizing the skin brings oil. So using something like this that has no oil in it, just straight hydrating type of products in it, which is a good option to wear underneath your mask. So as a professional, one of the reasons that I really enjoy the Banish products is they're not like most acne products that are out there on the market. These products are really targeted for acne and also hyperpigmented skin and acne scars. What I really enjoy about the method and the ingredients in these products is that they help heal your skin. They don't over dry your skin like most acne products, and they're really focused on the overall health of your skin, which I love, and this is a method that's worked for me because I've also been an acne sufferer for 10 years. So let's first start talking about what acne scars are so that we can figure out how to deal with this in your skin. My job is to educate you so that you can choose the right products that are right for you. When you're dealing with acne scarring, the reason why our skin scars up is because anytime that we have a breakout, it has bacteria in it, so our body sends an inflammatory response to target this breakout, and this inflammation brings these enzymes that help the bacteria go away, but also these enzymes eat away collagen and elastin. So when these enzymes are eating the collagen and elastin, this is what leaves the little dividends, the ice pick scars, the boxcar scars, whatever you call it. This is why they're left after an acne leaves. That's why vitamin C is one of my favorite products when we're dealing with acne and hyperpigmentation and post-acne inflammation, because vitamin C helps increase the collagen in the skin. So some of Banish's products that have vitamin C is their Banish oil or their vitamin C cream. So if you're not an oil person, they also have a cream option as well, which is really great for oily skin, dry skin, or normal skin, basically all skin types. But oils are really good too because it has that very high concentrate of vitamin C in it, and the most potent form of vitamin C is in that oil too. So if you can work your way up to adding an oil in your routine, it's not gonna make you break out, but the oil is really amazing for your skin as well, and the healing process from the hyperpigmentation and the boxcar scars that you have. And if you like a lighter option, they also have a vitamin C elixir mist, so that's really amazing as well. A lot of people don't believe me when I say I was an acne sufferer for 10 years, but I was an acne sufferer for 10 years. Yes, I was dealing with acne for 10 years, and this left a lot of scarring on my face, a lot of inflammation, and one of the treatments that helped clear my skin, not only of the acne, but the damage from the acne, was microneedling. So microneedling is something that you can do at home as well. I don't like the microneedles that roll on your skin because that can tear your skin. And from a professional standpoint, I'm not a fan of most microneedling devices, but I am of this one because this one does not tear your skin. This is a very genius design because you stamp the needles directly into your skin. So that avoids any tearing or rolling on your skin that I'm just not the biggest fan of as a professional. And also what I really love about it is that it has this little case right here where it reminds you to clean it after every use, because you have to. If you're going to be putting needles in your skin, you want to make sure that they're clean and sanitary. So this design is so genius. It's gentle enough for you to use. It just feels like little prickles going into your skin, and you do see results of this because it's penetrating deeper into your skin, to the deeper layers that most skincare products cannot reach. So let's talk about microneedling and how it works. When you're entering these into your skin, it's creating tiny little micro damages to your skin. And when I say the word damage, it kind of scares a lot of people, but we're not damaging to your skin to the point where it doesn't know how to heal itself. That's why these needles are so tiny, and they go into your skin to the point where your skin knows how to heal itself from this. And in this method of your skin healing itself from these tiny little micro damages in your skin, it's creating collagen and elastin. And if you remember earlier in this video, I was talking about how we lose that collagen and elastin and we get these deep scars after acne leaves. Well, this is gonna fix that. It's gonna help increase that collagen and elastin production and re-plump the skin. So have something like this in your routine is extremely helpful and extremely effective to seeing long-term results. Boom.